Stolen Van Gogh painting found in an unexpected place, an Ikea bag in the Netherlands. In a shocking development, a stolen Van Gogh painting has been recovered more than 3 years after it was stolen. The artwork, which went missing in 2020, has now been returned to its rightful owner, Dutch art detective Arthur Brand, who has been dubbed the Indiana Jones of the art world. The stolen painting, whose title was not disclosed, was found tucked away inside an unlikely hiding spot, an Ikea bag. This unexpected discovery has captivated art enthusiasts and investigators alike, shedding light on the audacious theft and subsequent recovery. The remarkable turn of events unfolded when Andreas Blhm, the director of the Groninger Museum in the Netherlands, received an urgent call while enjoying a meal of Indonesian-style French fries in an Amsterdam cafe. He was informed that a stolen Van Gogh painting had been found. The news left Blhm stunned. He could hardly believe that a work of such significance had resurfaced after such a long absence. The painting's recovery can be attributed to the relentless efforts of Arthur Brand, an art investigator known for his unparalleled determination and success in recovering stolen artworks. Over the years, Brand has made a name for himself as a modern-day Indiana Jones, taking on high-profile cases and tirelessly pursuing justice for stolen masterpieces. The theft of the Van Gogh painting in question took place in 2020, creating a void in the art world that felt nearly impossible to fill. Speculation ran rampant regarding the motive behind the theft, as well as the whereabouts of the stolen artwork. However, thanks to Brand's unwavering commitment to solving the mystery, the stolen painting has now been restored to its rightful place. The return of the Van Gogh painting marks a significant milestone in the ongoing battle against art theft. It serves as a reminder that, no matter how much time passes, there is always hope for the recovery of stolen masterpieces. The discovery has sparked admiration for the tenacity of investigators like Arthur Brand and renewed efforts to protect the world's cultural heritage. As news of this remarkable recovery spreads, the art world eagerly awaits further details regarding the circumstances surrounding the theft and the subsequent discovery in an Ikea bag. The story serves as a testament to both the enduring value of Van Gogh's works and the tireless individuals who work behind the scenes to ensure the preservation of our artistic heritage.